Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're on the water here, and as you can see, we're at pretty minor flood stage today. Imagine if your property flooded and come to find out you didn't have flood insurance. You'd be pretty upset, wouldn't you? Well, that's why today we're going to be talking about what the difference is between private flood insurance applications and national flood insurance applications. You know, when one is acceptable, when one may not be acceptable. Because the worst thing you want to happen is 3 days after you buy a house, or 3 days after you think you buy a policy, you realize you don't have coverage, right? So let's talk about this then. So when it comes to a National Flood Insurance Program application, generally mortgage companies will accept them if they've got the effective date, the insured's name, the property address, the total annual premium, and they're signed by both parties, the agent and the insured. So what about private flood insurance applications? Well, you're going to notice a big difference with private flood insurance applications. Generally, private flood insurance applications, for the most part, do not go into effect until payment is actually received. Also, if you're looking at a private flood insurance application, if they do let it go into effect right away, you want to make sure that it's got effective dates on there. If it doesn't have effective dates on there, then it's not going to be valid. So that's one way to tell whether a true private flood insurance application will be accepted or not, if it has effective dates. So this is kind of the difference between National Flood Insurance Program flood insurance applications and private flood insurance applications. How to protect yourself to make sure that you've got a policy in place at that moment. So if you've got questions about telling the difference between the two, which private carriers accept, certain mortgage companies, which mortgage companies accept certain private flood insurance companies' applications, then please reach out to us. FloodInsuranceGuru.com. Click below to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also give us a call, 205-451-4294. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks like this one right here, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property long term to help you minimize flood losses and flood premiums. Thank you.